Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have included questions from limits and continuity. Come, let's see the video. So find the value of a and b such that the following function f of x is a continuous function. F of x equal to 5 where x is less than or equal to 2 and ax plus b when 2 is less than x less than 10 and 21 where x greater than or equal to 10. So given that f of x is a continuous function. So we can see that the given function is a constant function for x less than 2 and also for x greater than 10. So it is continuous. So we can write the given function is a constant function for x less than 2 and x greater than 10. So it is continuous for all x less than 2 and all x greater than 10. So we can write therefore given function is continuous for all x element of 2 comma 10. Now let's start. The first function f of x equal to 5 when x is less than or equal to 2. So let's take the first condition at x equal to 2. Now limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means x less than 2. We can see that for x less than 2 the function is 5. So f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus, instead of f of x what you have to write 5 and that is equal to 5. Now we have to take the positive limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. That means x is greater than 2. So that is coming here. This 2 less than x less than 10 means x greater than 2 but less than 10. So 2 plus f of x will be limit x tends to 2 plus ax plus b. And then we have to apply that limit x is 2, right? So we will get 2a plus b. Now what is f of 2? F of 2 is equal to 5. Because here you know that x is less than or equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, then f of 2 will be equal to 5. Now at x equal to 10. At x equal to 10, we know that limit x tends to 10 minus. 10 minus f of x. That means when x is less than 10, we know that x tends 10 minus will be equal to ax plus b. So if x is 10, then it will be 10a plus b. Now what is f of 10? F of 10 will be equal to 21. It's given as 21. So limit x tends to 10 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 10 minus a plus b limit x tends to 10 plus f of x will be equal to, where x is greater than 10, f of x is 21. So we can write this as equal to 21 and therefore we can say that 10a plus b equal to 21. So this is the second equation. The first equation is 2a plus b equal to 2a plus b equal to 5. Now subtract the two equation. So we will get 8a equal to 16. So a will be 16 by 8 and that is equal to 2. Now we can substitute in the equation. Substitute in equation 1. We will get 2a plus b equal to 5. So b equal to 5 minus 4 and that is equal to 1. So we got the value of a as 2 and b is equal to 1. Now look at this question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 sine 4x by sine 3x. So Remember, we have studied limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So we are going to make use of this. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, sin 4x into 1 by sin 3x. And after that, what we will do? Limit x tends to 0. I'm going to make sin 4x as sin 4x divided by 4x so that we can make use of this formula. Okay. So sin 4x divided by, simply you cannot divide, you have to multiply by 4x also, into, again we have 1 by sin 3x. Here also we are going to divide and multiply by 3x. Now listen. Now what I'm going to do is, I am going to take this 4x and 3x together. Okay, I'm going to take in front of limit. So 4x by 3x, limit x tends to 0, sin 4x by 4x into 1 by sin 3x by 3x. So here what happens is, you can cancel out this x and that 4 by 3 will be there. Now if x tends to 0, you can write as x tends to 0, what will happen to 3x? 3x will also tends to 0. Or similarly, when x tends to 0, 4x also will tend to 0. Now listen. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into limit. Instead of x tends to 0, you can write 4x tends to 0, sin 4x by 4x into, again you apply the limit 3x tends to 0, 1 by sin 3x by 3x. So now we can apply the value. 4 by 3 into limit 4x tends to 0, sin 4x by 4x is 1. Again, here also you will get this denominator, this will become 1. So this is 1 by 1. So 4 by 3 into 1 means 4 by 3. So the answer is 4 by 3. So the question is, find the domain for which the function f of x and g of x are equal. So for f of x equal to g of x, we can write f of x as 2x square minus 1 equal to 1 minus 3x. Bring all the terms to one side. 2x square minus 1 plus 3x is equal to 0. So we can see that we are getting a quadratic equation. 2x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now what we can do is, we can factorize this quadratic equation. 2x square plus 3x minus 2. How we can factorize that? 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So from the first two terms, you can take 2x as the common factor. So we will get x plus 2. Again, we take minus 1 outside. So you will get x plus 2 again inside the bracket equal to 0. So x plus 2 we can see as a common factor, and the remaining terms are 2x and minus 1, that will come in the second bracket. So here we are getting x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2, or here we have 2x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 by 2. So we can write domain for which function f of x equal to g of x is, we can write 1 by 2 and the minus